Hello everybody, my name is Michael. I'm going to be your host today. This is the SafePal Extension Wallet live stream. We're going to set up a wallet and go through different features within our new product line. Managing your crypto just got easier. Why? You can create and import multiple seed phrases to manage your wallet in one place. You can stay connected to Dapps across different chains. You can connect your SafePal app or your hardware wallet, and you can move your crypto to different chains using our swap or bridge services. As this is downloading, we're going to go to our new website. Let's open up the app, get started. And what's great about our extension wallet, we also support over 30 chains, and we're going to be constantly adding more with every update. So keep in mind, if your favorite coin or token is not available yet, it will soon. Let's create a wallet, enter a password. It must contain 8 characters, letters, and numbers. Remember, this is a test password. Please do not copy this. Press next. Now we're going to generate our mnemonic phrase. So this is our seed phrase. This is used to recover your wallet within a different devices. So remember, we do not store any of this information. So if you lose it, you will not be able to recover your wallet. Generate. So please write down your seed phrase. Make sure you record your seed phrase on a piece of paper or in a SafePal cipher. Do not take a screenshot or save it on your computer. If anyone has access to this phrase, you will lose your assets. And if you do not record it in the correct order, you will not be able to record your wallet properly. So next, then we got to verify our backup. Make sure your seed phrase is in the correct order, or you will get an error message. Verify. Your wallet is ready for use. I'm going to name it My SafePal Wallet. Confirm. So you may be wondering why you want to use our SafePal extension wallet. Well, as you can see, we created a wallet really easily. So there's no more complicated setups. You don't have to worry about complex networks and node configurations. And you're not going to have any disconnections when switching Dapps. And I'm going to demonstrate all these features today. And one of the best things is that you enjoy unlimited blockchain access with our EVM and non-EVM compatible chains. So we support everything, and we're going to keep improving on our product. So I'm going to click on here. Now our SafePal extension wallet is ready to go. Let's connect to a few Dapps. Let's go to PancakeSwap. Oh, looks like our wallet has been connected. Disconnect. Let's try again. Connect. SafePal. And there you go. You're instantly connected to PancakeSwap. Let's look up BuySwap. Connect wallet. SafePal wallet. There you go. As you can see, we have PancakeSwap and BuySwap connected at the same time. We can make a transaction on either platform right now, and it will not disconnect. And that's one of the great parts about our product. How about 1inch? Connect wallet. Ooh. Connect. And there you go. We have 1inch, which is on the Ethereum chain, we got BuySwap, which is on BNB, and we got PancakeSwap on BNB. So we got 3 different dApps, all working at the same time, and they're on different chains. Let's keep going. As you can see, we have all 3 of these connected. So let's say we exit out of here, exit out of here, exit out of here, and I go back and I click on PancakeSwap. It saved my last progress. How about 1 inch? There we go. And it's connected. If you do not like staying connected, you can just exit. You click edit and you delete it, and this will remove it from the history. So if you're not comfortable with that, you're more than welcome to just delete it. Swap. So this swap feature allows you to bridge your money to different chains. So let's take this example. We got BNB, that's on the BNB smart chain, and then Bitcoin. Bitcoin's on its own chain. If you want to create a swap, remember, this is the minimum amount of tokens you need to create the swap. So it'll be 0.897 BNB. Now let's say I want to change it. I want Ethereum. And I want, say, Tron. To make this exchange, you need this much Ethereum. So each type of pairing will require a minimum amount to make a transaction. So let's look at this 3% here at the bottom. This is your slippage tolerance. This is when we make a transaction, and if the transaction goes beyond this 3%, then the transaction won't happen. A higher slippage rate will happen when you're trading tokens that are not as popular generally, or has large fluctuations in price. So that's when you're going to see a higher slippage tolerance. So generally, if you're trading with ETH or Bitcoin, you can keep your slippage rate at a smaller amount. But if let's say you're trying to make a transaction with a less popular coin and you're wondering, why is my transaction not going through? To solve this problem, you probably need to increase your slippage rate. So disclaimer, this is not financial advice, and make sure you're okay with the slippage to go up or down X amount percentage. So if you're not okay with your purchase price to go up 5%, and that means it's going to cost you more to complete that transaction, then do not set that amount. So once you do that, you type in how many tokens you want to swap, min max, and then you click swap, and it'll be completed relatively fast. And there you go. And that's how you use the swap feature in the extension wallet. Okay, here is our NFT tab. If you purchase any NFTs, for example, on OpenSea, you will be able to view them afterwards. So we can go BNB, Polygon, and you can also manage your NFTs any way you want. And then here's the coin. Click on the 3 dots, manage coins. I don't want Solana, or yeah, I want Dodge. I don't want Litecoin, and so forth. And there you go. This is how you manage your tokens, which tokens you want to see, and then you can even sort them by value, by amount, or by alphabet. So I'm going to say by alphabet. Some other features you should be aware of is at the bottom here. This is our light mode and dark mode. Personally, I like dark mode better, but a lot of my friends like light mode, so that's totally up to you. It doesn't matter. Settings, wallet management. So what I wanted to show you here, this is our wallet that we made right now. If you created a wallet within the extension, you can actually rename the wallet if you like. But if you created a wallet in our software wallet app, you will not be able to change your name if you import it inside the extension. So keep that in mind. Speaking of which, we're going to import a new wallet. Add, import. This is the easiest way. When you scan the QR code, make sure you're always updated to the latest version. And then you open your SafePal app, scan. Then you can get a message. I'm going to say confirm connection, and you click confirm. You select which wallet you want to connect to the extension, confirm, and done. Within 5 seconds, we have now connected a wallet that we made previously. And as you can see, it actually says where you got the imported wallet from. So this is from my iPhone. As you can see here, you have my wallet here. And I'd like to discuss these tokens here, the free token and the Grapheno coin. These are scam tokens. So if you interact with these tokens, your wallet is going to be hacked. So what this is generally, it's called a dust attack. And what scammers are doing here is they're trying to identify which accounts are active. So if you click the coin and sign a transaction, go, oh wow, there's 100 of these free coins. And generally when you first receive the coin, it's gonna have a random value. And then you think, wow, I got free money. Let me try to make a transaction with it. When you do that, you just told the scammer that this account is active. And depending on that scam token's code, you might even be signing the transaction saying this scammer has full access to your wallet. So when you see tokens that weren't airdropped and you're not familiar with at all, do not interact. If anything, just hide them and that's it. That is the best advice when you're dealing with tokens you're not familiar with. Because at the end of the day, that reward that you see, it's not worth it. And it's most likely a scam. Okay, now let's go through the SafePal Extension Wallet settings. We went through wallet management, but now we have 2 wallets. And like I mentioned before, we can edit the name here, but can't edit the name there. And if you like to delete the wallet, you can hide the wallet or view the seed phrase. Well, the reason is we made this wallet here, but this is an imported wallet. So the only option is to delete the wallet. Let's go back. Chain management. These are the different chains we have. Disable. Disable. Let's go back. And then help center. If you have any issues before, submitting a ticket to talking to our customer support, you can look over here. So SafePal extension. And these are the current guides that we offer for our SafePal extension. So if there's any issues and you like to self-serve, help before talking to a live agent, you're able to look up yourself. If not, you can click here and submit a ticket, and you select what category you like and email and explain the issue that you're having. Okay, let's go back to settings, support. So this takes you directly to submitting a ticket to talking to the customer support section. So if you don't want to use our help center and you'd like to talk to somebody, you can directly do that with no issue. Settings, community. So if you want to check out our official website, you can click here. If you like to go to our official Twitter, you can click here. And if you like to go to our official Discord channel, you can click here. About, this is the current version, and we're on Chrome, and you're welcome to give us feedback if you are happy with our product. And if you like to see our user guide, you can click here. Okay, let's go back. If you want to lock your wallet, you can click here. Now your wallet is locked. You gotta enter your password. And then you would click unlock. If you forgot your password, you click reset here. When you're resetting the extension, all of your existing wallets will be removed. So firstly, make sure you have backed up your seed phrase for these wallets. This action only removes the wallets from this extension. It will not remove the wallets from the blockchains. You can access the wallets on any compatible devices, so as long as you have the seed phrase backed up. I'm not going to reset the wallets, but if this is something you want to do, you can. Also, if you delete the SafePal Extension Wallet, that is also a way to remove all the wallets that was attached to this account. I'm going to type in the password, unlock, and there we go. We're back into our accounts. So let's talk about sending and receiving coins. So we have 3 tabs here. We can swap, which I showed before. You can send or receive. So these are previous transactions that I made. And if I want to receive coins, this is the wallet address. And if I want to send coins, you type in an address you want to send to, and make sure you are sending the coins on the same chain. So if you're gonna send someone BNB, you have to look at, BEP20. So when you're sending it to that next wallet address, you gotta make sure it's exactly the same. And that applies for all crypto. You cannot send a BNB BEP20 to Ethereum. When you make those type of wrong transfers, we're unable to recover the funds, as blockchain transactions are not, reversible. So please keep that in mind. And you can check the money we received, send, pending, and the type of fees. So every time you do a transaction, when you send, you buy tokens, there's always a fee attached to this. And this is not charged by SafePal, but it's a gas fee. And this gas fee is determined by the blockchain you're using. So BNB is generally a cheaper chain compared to Ethereum's gas fee. Gas fee in Ethereum is lower than right now due to market conditions, but during peak time, a simple transaction could be very costly. So remember, this is not charged by SafePal, but by the blockchain itself. And you may ask, why is my transaction cost differently on maybe if I use like a different app? Well, that is based on the data we're pulling. So we're pulling like accurate data, and when they pull the data, let's say a different application, and when we pull, it's at different points. So it may cost differently. So if you notice that SafePal is cheaper and you make that transaction, is because we're pulling the most accurate data, and that's why you may see a difference potentially. It's all about how quickly the applications pull data from the chain to determine the gas fee to complete the transaction. So just keep that in mind. And And that's it. That covers all the different functions that we have with the SafePal extension. I hope everyone is keeping safe during these market situations. And thank you for joining me today. Until next time.